Welcome all of you. Today we will be discussing the topic silicon controlled rectifier, or otherwise we call it by the name SCR, or silicon controlled rectifier. That is the silicon, this controlled and rectifier. So it is called so because it is mainly made up of silicon, and it is used for rectification of, it is used in controlled rectifiers. Okay, so this is called as silicon controlled rectifiers. And as far as power electronics is concerned, the main we have discussed in our bridge class the different classification of power electronics, like that, isn't it? I mean, different classification of power electronic devices, mainly based on what, mainly based on the whether its turn on can be controlled, whether its turn off can be controlled, or whether it is uncontrolled, or whether it is controlled. Depending upon the extent of controllability, we have actually classified the power electronic devices under various categories, right? Of this, we have come across one family called thyristor family, and the most important or the main member of that thyristor family is SCR, or otherwise called as silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, so today we will be discussing about the basic construction as well as the structure or the construction of the power electronic device SCR, or silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, now let's first see its structure, or otherwise called, we can call it as the structure or the structure or the construction of an SCR. So as already mentioned, it is a semiconductor device. It is made up of silicon semiconductor device. Okay, so in the silicon semiconductor device, we have 4 layers, one P, then one N, another P, another N. We have already discussed what is this P region or P-type semiconductor, what is N-type semiconductor, like that, isn't it? So what is a P-type semiconductor? P-type semiconductor means that particular layer or that particular material which will be rich in holes or positive charge. Okay. Similarly, N-type semiconductor means which is rich in electrons or negative charge. Okay. So an SCR, the basic structure of an SCR will be, it is a semiconductor and it has 4 layers, that is P, N, P, N. Okay, layers, 4 layers. Which are the 4 layers? P, one P layer, then N layer, then P layer, and N layer. So SCR, or silicon controlled rectifier, is a 4 layered 4 layered PNPN power semiconductor device. Okay, now let's see. This has 4 layers. How many junctions it has? Junction means what? The meeting point, or a transition between a P region and an N region is called a junction. So how many junctions do it have? The junction, or the point, or the meeting point between the first P layer, that means the outermost P layer, and the inner N layer, and we call that junction, or we will name that junction as J1. And in the next, that is the junction between, or the common point, or the meeting point between inner N layer and the inner P layer, we call it by the name J2, or the junction J2. And we have one more junction, right? We have one more common point, that is between inner P layer and the outer N layer, and this is the junction J3. Okay, so what about an SCR construction? An SCR is a 4 layer 3 junction PNPN power semiconductor device. So we have junctions, we have layers, then obviously we do have terminals, isn't it? In diode, which are the 2 terminals? Anode and cathode. Okay, so similarly here also we have terminals. There is one terminal which is connected to the outermost P region. We call that terminal as what? Anode. Okay. Similarly, there is one terminal connected to the outermost N region. We call that terminal as cathode. Okay, so we have one anode which is connected to the outermost P region. We have one cathode which is connected to the outermost N region. So in addition to these two terminals, an SCR have one more and most crucial terminal, and that is connected to the innermost P region, and that terminal is called gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Okay, so an SCR is a three terminal device. Which are the three terminals? Anode, cathode and gate. Okay, and anode is connected to the outermost P region, cathode is connected to the outermost N region, and gate is connected to the innermost P region. So how we can define an SCR in a nutshell? An SCR is a 4-layer, 3-junction, 3-terminal PNPN power semiconductor device. Okay, so is the structure of an SCR clear to you, or rather the construction? Okay, so this is about an SCR. Now we will see the symbol for an SCR. Symbol for an SCR. You all may be knowing the symbol of a diode, right? This is a symbol of a diode. Okay, of this terminal is anode and this terminal is cathode. Cathode is represented by the letter K. Okay, not by the letter C, but it is usually represented by the letter K. Okay, and this is a symbol for diode. Whereas in the case of an SCR, we have one more additional terminal. What is that terminal? That terminal is nothing but gate. So we have to show that terminal also. It is connected like this here. This is the terminal gate. Okay, either you can represent the symbol like this, or you can represent from here. Gate. This is anode. This is cathode. Okay, so this is a symbol of an SCR. And one more additional thing that you need to know here, it is that the structure you already know, that is 4-layer is there, then 3 junctions are there, then 3 terminals are also there. And one important thing is that an SCR is a unidirectional device. An SCR is a unidirectional device. Unidirectional device means an SCR can conduct in only one direction, and that direction is from anode to cathode. Okay, that is the direction of conduction of an SCR. That means an SCR can conduct from this terminal anode through this layer and towards this cathode. This is the only possible way of conduction in an SCR. Okay, so this is the general things you need to know about an SCR, basic things. And the first thing is regarding its construction, or rather the structure. The next is a symbol, and another important thing is what type of device is it. Is it unidirectional or bidirectional? It is unidirectional. That means direction of conduction in an SCR is always from anode to cathode. Clear? So an SCR is a 4-layered, 3-junction, 3-terminal PNPN power semiconductor device, and anode, cathode and gate are the 3 terminals. Anode is connected to the outer P region, cathode is connected to the outer N region, and gate is connected to the inner P region, and this is a symbol of an SCR. Okay, hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.